Yes. Welcome back, ladies and gentle G's. You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. You understand? We're there with the one and only Vybz Keem, very talented individual. You understand? This is Imara Nation podcast, and the dog just bring up Jimmy a while ago. So we are getting at the character them right now, the most famous character them we're known for. The first one I got introduced to was Felicia, Don't Stop Stop. And the one that did have the internet away. And they got some boom now, and Jimmy came after, right?
Yeah, Jimmy was after.
Yeah.
It's like when we start the Jimmy videos, it's like people stop fuck with Felicia.
Word.
They start fuck with her less. So
Yeah.
just have to go to where the market or where the people, they must say. You understand?
That's a smart business move, yeah.
So Jimmy, it is up to today. It's like I don't know. It's like them. Me don't know. Them just love Jimmy. You see me? People just love Jimmy.
It's funny, bruh.
But apart from that, I do a whole heap of other videos.
Yeah.
Like, you see me? Because I want to show versatility. I don't want to just I him do Jimmy and that's it. I want to be known. I want to be famous, not popular. And I think there's a difference.
There is a clear difference.
What I say.
But popularity is like come and go thing.
Yeah.
Famous and Michael Jackson said to brother, you're known for life, even after death, You understand?
All right. So Jimmy, it was just Mr. Prince Pine do a video, interview a couple days ago, and he's like, he must say, if you're not be natural more well, you're not gonna work. You can't force a video. As the audience are gonna pick up say it first, and them are gonna say, oh, you see me, them can pick up it.
Of course.
Can pick it up. You see me? So Jimmy just born out of nowhere. Just like Felicia, I did a video. Me do one video where it's like me and a girl have sex, and it's like when me stop have sex, she still make noise.
That's like a lie, man.
Yeah. And like it's like naturally me just step on, don't stop stop. And when time I drop that video there, it's like at that line the people are reflect on. You see me? So me just
run with that.
Yeah, me just run with it. And sometimes girls love the kinkiness and so burn me with the iron. You know them way there? Yeah. A lot of people, people think that Felicia is and this is an exclusive now. People feel say Felicia. Somebody play Felicia. A lot of people don't know say I'm me I do your voice.
Do your voice again with them here.
Hakim! Where you go? Burn me with the iron! Cause she carrying on me. Yeah, man. This way the man.
Jaja, ladies and gentlemen, I hear it first. But when I lie still, bro, anybody who let me not say that, but I didn't know say how you do it, brother. You see me? Yeah, I have an idea. Cause you don't know we do video and we don't know for voiceover and them thing them. So Felicia was the most popular character until the big dog Jimmy came out.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy. Yo.
What inspired Jimmy? Where did Jimmy come from?
Jimmy, it was not necessarily an inspiration, It's like I did a video.
Yeah.
And all right, I'll tell you. I see one video is like a teacher ask a student them like some questions were ending. What is supposed to be the video there? A question were ending AN. Then for give the teacher some word were ending AN and one little pitney say lesbian. And I ask what is lesbian and rare. So I see that video there and I say, yo, it's funny. We do a video with I say, yo, Daddy, what is 69? You see me? And then me realize that people love that video there, and then it take me about a couple months to follow up and do a next video. I realize that people, and then me even give Jimmy a name like natural. Me not think hard about it, and people
Jimmy.
just rock with it. You have to be natural.
Yeah.
You see what I say? No, right now, people can go check out some of my work from even back in ideas. Yardicus, for example.
Bad piece.
Go on YouTube and watch Yardicus. YAADICUS. So what I say? And I used to say, and I like say, me thing. You see me? I'm say now. One I think when I respect you, Negus, is that you're very creative. You see me? Me meet Me meet Chabas. One day, how me knows because me did in one at a time, you know, theater never work out for me now. Me did in a lowest point of my life, you know, and me did give up. So me I say, well, if I figure did I go on, and then it was like randomly, me just dip on the road, and me see me da walk, and see a car stop, reverse. So I run me ready for run now, you know, cause that the area they were me did, you know, you see me?
Yeah, you know, it probably look like a drive by. Yeah.
So I run me ready for run now. Me see a dog push out here and say, yo, are you do video now? I say, yo, Chabas. And I say, yeah, man, forward, man.
Oh, shit, so Chabas pull up.
Yeah. So at the day, they like, me a rock, what come here and say, Bombat, Chabas know me? I mean, going forward in the car and the man I say, yo, man all point out the work them when you see me do. I say, some knows the people are watching, you know.
Yeah.
People are watching, but more well, it's like you have to depend on a certain level to get certain strength to me. Because you have to work for your own. Alright. Chabas, the day that Chabas said to me, say, yo, me fi message him on Instagram and him more respond and follow me and think I want to link up and do some video.
Yeah. Oh, this was in Jamaica?
This was in Jamaica.
Okay.
We did for the Jamaica and thing, and me up to me message up to now Chavas no respond.
Yeah? When was the last time you messaged him?
No, probably I 2 years ago or something.
Damn.
Because alright, this was like 2017.
Okay.
And he linked me up and me I say, yo, John, how go on? But then again, you know, at first, like, me did feel away because I don't like say, yo, me
go to your way
yeah,
for
go
the
to my way.
Yeah,
Man say, yo, me feel link him and me link him and he's like, no dog, no answer.
Yeah.
You see me? So me just pray it as though maybe he just not rate me or sit, me don't know, or maybe at the time me thing never me social media never. Me don't know how it go.
Me not think somebody will go to them way. You know, see me? Pull up and reverse and
Me not alright. Me not this Chabas or nothing, you know. So me I say respect to Chabas because a Chabas walk make no for we can run in this. But as me say, at first me did kinda me I say, oh, as me say, me did at one point in my life when me did give up on this acting thing, and then when me look, me say Chabas say, yo, boom bang, and me say, yo, Janu, I link with it, dog, top dog, link me, you see me?
Yeah.
And me I say, yo, Chabas. But then, over time, me learn something different from that. Me take something different from that. You see me? Me just said to myself, say, yo, you can't rely upon, you have to just, you only need yourself.
I told you that, bro.
Yeah.
I told you that, bro.
And that's one I think when me respect with you, dog. You have to believe in yourself. You have to push yourself.
Have to.
You see what I say? So that just teach me something. Say, yo, me probably at the time, I say, yo, me naive to the thing. So I say, yo, if people see me link with Chabas and do one video, me think, oh, take off and you see what I say? But
you are filled with all that hope.
Yeah.
Like, you see me? This is the breaking point right here. I understand them way there because and what you said too, you were at a low point in your lives, so you thought this was going to be a breakthrough. You see me? But yeah, bro, you know, it could be that because as a man like Chabas, bro, the man soon reach a million followers. You see me? But it's like, bro, even me, bro, me have 50 plus K, bro, and sometimes like I'm looking like the DMs flooded. Sometimes like you can't really catch up, bro. You see me? Even when you know the other part where you have to go in now, where them don't know if you read the messages or not. That part there, the crazy part.
Yeah.
So if you never dare follow you them time there, that's like your message that got end up, you know, in another section there, you know.
No, I'm saying he asked me for my number and take my Instagram and say, oh,
hopefully I just slip the dog, man. Because Chabas, that you time, I'm very talented. Super talented.
As me say still, at first, it was just like, dog, you send me for link you, so it's like you're growing, you know. But no, it's like me, I say, oh.
So if you and Chabas happen to link up again, or him reach out to you, or you reach out to him, and it just so happen, you would have worked with him.
What you mean?
Yeah.
Yo, Chabas. Even look, sister, I love Chabas, you know?
Bro,
Chabas bad.
Jamaica love Chabas, brother. As I say, that them man they walk so we can run you know, brother.
Yo, respect to you, though, dog.
Yeah.
You know, I'm respect you and everybody. As me say, you know, and Chabas make me know this, enough people know me. But not everybody. I guess enough people not gonna rate my video them or whatever. They just not rate me. Or some people want you run up in a them or what, me not know. But at that too, me no run up in a people because me can be very feisty.
Yeah.
Full of pride more while and full of ego. So me now go run up in a certain people, but here me have to say respect to you that. Me respect who respect my talent. You see what me I say? Cause one time this was a man, you know, when me did 9K followers, you know. This a man I reach out and the man did about 30 odd. And the man not show enough of my hypeness or ego. You see what me I say? And the man follow me first and me I say, yo, Bomba, the brother are different. The man say, yo, collab. I say, what? Right now, cause me see the youth here, him bad. Him do some things where different. And then me see couple videos with Jay Freight. And I say, oh, the youth are different. You see me? So Negus, big you up. Me have to big you up all the time.
Bro.
Big up yourself, my brother.
My real talent.
Yo, you see all right. You have a couple other people who me reach out to, you know, we have a big platform, you know, at the time. But when I reach out to them like me, I beg them nothing.
Yeah.
Me I say, yo, I want how much for post like one of my video them.
Word.
You see me? And me will not get no answer. And this is why me respect World Dog too. World Dog. Me see dog up on a live and talk some real facts and me go up on the live and say, yo. No, me go in the in a DM and say, yo, bro, me rate that way that talk about rare, you see me? The man pre me message, follow me. You see me? And the man never have to do that.
That's true. Bro, that's why I tell everybody some rate World Dog regardless of how them personally feel about him.
Yeah,
me rate him, brother.
Yeah, me rate him. My name say Kaki, big up yourself.
Yeah.
You see what I say? Me rate him. So, me say, and just because he follow me while me respect him. You understand?
It's just
me
that
just say him is a real youth.
we pray enough for them youth to have them big following, bro, and them
Yeah.
feel like them a god, brother.
Yeah. We talk like when we talk like rapidly, but occasionally.
Yeah.
You see me reason a good youth. You see me big me up on the life couple times. Big up World Dog. You see me? I say big up you. I feel big up World Dog. Respect Chaba same way. Able Boss, big up yourself. A couple youth out there. J Venom, big up yourself. Who else?
Yeah, man.
Epic, big up yourself.
Bumbuckler, big up Epic.
Big up yourself.
Bro,
yo,
Epic
Epic are one of the most talented Bumbuckler youth and the man nah get no yo.
Facts.
Cause the man
Epic, where they dog?
different, but it's like Jamaica don't fuck with talent. Jamaica don't fuck with creativity, bad man. Jamaica fuck with mix up.
Too much mix up, brother.
Look on the people where you see rise fast in our industry and
Mix up, brother. Mix up.
And that is
Mix
just
up.
our culture, you see me?
Mix up, brother.
Mix up.
Me tired of it, bro. Because you them with actual talent are dead off, brother. Dead
Because
off.
sometimes me do a video, you know, me not necessarily try to do a video for a punch or a mix up. It's like a situation comedy me I try to do. If somebody can relate to it and say, oh, rare. But boy, they always tear me down still. And at first when they used to tear me down, it used to demotivate me.
But
I don't give a fuck.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Like when I realize that people not really to fuck with talent like that, bro, it kinda I'm not as motivated to go as
not
hard
to no lie.
anymore.
Yo.
You see me, bro? Because bro, I pour out my heart and my soul, brother, in a certain skit and them thing, bro. And if you see somebody come and talk about Rose or whatever, I mean I say, oh wow. Like this we like, this is what and one point I was even considering doing it. Like yo, I delve into the mix up to and it's me garner some follower. But me no want do that.
Disclaimer, we not fight down nobody or nothing like that. It's just
Me not move them bum buck like them things me I fight them out when move in the blood clot with the insecurity. When move and go. Can come like some big girl, everything a bad mind. Man, I'm tired of them, brother. Man. Everything a bad mind. You have an opinion. Oh, you're a bad mind. I'm gonna suck your bum buckler, man. I'm gonna move your blood clot with the soft self. Batty boy.
Yeah, man. Facts, but yo, as me say, big up who for big up.
Yeah.
And
so,
but big pussy Baba J.
Bumbleclot. Whoa. Where that come from, brother?
Baba J a pussy.
Well, hold on there, Vybz Keem. You can't us, bro. Where that come from?
Yo, me as a man, me no feed into negativity, you know. Cause if I mix up for do things, then would I go the route there.
Yeah.
Although some of, like, shit, if me remix a Michael Jackson video, I don't necessarily mix up. No people see me do video and feel say, me and Wesley cool, for example.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, Wesley go nyam shit. Wesley nah go. You see what I say? You see me, but
yeah.
Yeah, Baba J a pussy.
What happened? So obviously him doing something. Obviously. What go on? Spill the beans, brother. Spill the beans.
Talk about this now or one next segment or one.
You know what, yo, you see with that said, we are going for the next segment right now.